Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the module that is number 2, that is business organization. A business is also called as a company or entrepreneurship or firm. It's legally recognized organization designed to provide goods or services to consumers. Forms of business organization, that is sole proprietorship or sole trader. Single person is handling the business is called sole proprietorship. Partnership means two or more members joined together to run a business. Corporation means a corporately a persons are going to handle the business is called corporation. Share of stocks, shareholders will be there for the company with more numbers. Then board of directors, dividends. This we are going to see. Now sole proprietorship. It's a type of business or entity which is owned and run by one individual. Advantages: easy to get established, full control over all business decisions, owner keep all profits. Then flexibility, you can do at any time, at any season. That is belongs to the one single person. Then disadvantages means it difficult to raise money for the business, responsible for every aspect, that is profit or loss, unlimited liability, limited skills and knowledge. Business partnership, that is owned by two or more people, as already said. Responsibility, profits and loss are also shared. Liable for errors of partners, unlimited liability, responsibility for all the money. Business income is taxed. Then advantage, easy to establish. We can easy to invest more number of amount or money or all the things, that is sources can be multiple in according to the number of persons going to handle the business. Corporation, legal rights of a person, but it is independent of its owners. Legal rights. Then organization and the environments. Internal environment, the manager, general environment, then task environment, according to the from the position of the responsibility from the managers. The external environment, that is economic, global, political or legal, socio-cultural, technological, demographics, public pressure groups, suppliers, customers, competitors. These are the external environment which is going in the business. Then internally environment, that comes with the resources, capabilities, cultures. In externally specific environment, that is customers, suppliers, competitors, pressure groups, general environments. These are the conditions that is prevailing among the environments of the business. The external environment, the specific environment, achievement of organization goals, customers, competitors, suppliers, pressure groups. These are the things which comes under the external. Then competitors, organization cannot afford to ignore its competitors, suppliers. We are producing. The supplier is the person which is giving order or input or sources that is given getting from the outside, and we are going to utilize the product, and we are going to complete it and have to send to the suppliers. Special interest groups, economic conditions, then political or legal conditions, federal, state, local government influence, what organization can and cannot do. That is comes from the local government. Then demographic conditions, physical characters of population such as general age, level of education, income, geographical location. That's everything. Managers must adopt their practices to change the expectations of the society in which they operate. Technology conditions, globalization, affecting managers and the organization. Next, we are going to see the trends and challenges of management in global scenario, workforce diversity, changing employee expectation, international environment, building organizational capabilities, job design and organization structure, changing psychosocial system, technological advance, management of human relations, changes in legal environment, expanding globalization, everything. Then workforce diversity, that is changing the way you do business. It refers to the way in which people in your place are similar and different from one another. Then advantages of workforce diversity, that is improved decision making, improved team performance, better consumer services, enhanced communication skills, creativity and innovations. Changing employee expectation. The managers has then to redraw new methods of motivation such as job design. Example, that is motivation of workers to deliver their contribution towards the accomplishment of organization goals. International environment, that is comes from the all over the world. Then building organization capabilities to acquire new skills, knowledge, and to evaluate environment changes, to evaluate business strategies, job design and organizational structure, task approach, changing psychosocial system, designed to perform work function, future human participation will be required, technological advance, we have to redesign the advancement which comes at a percentage. The management of human relations, we have to make the relations, the human relations with the management, the new generation workforce, education, higher degree of participation, everything we have to consider. And changing in legal environment, that is in this necessary adjustments have to be made according to the increased changes of legal, expanding globalization. Then strategies for international business. What are the strategies we are going to follow when we are going to use the international business? If you are going to do an international business, means the international management is the first thing, that is focus on the operations of the firms in countries according to different countries. Like if we are going to do the business in internationally in the USA, means we have to get all the we have to make adapt to the business activities that is going on the US government. So like that we have to make the international management perfectly. Then multinational companies, multinational corporations have their headquarters in one country but operate in many countries, that is MNC. Then orientations, ethnocentric orientation, polycentric orientation, regiocentric orientation, geocentric orientation. Style of the company, style of the foreign operations, that is based on the parent company. If the parent company is from India, means we are going to follow all the things which prevailing or adopted in our own country. In the polycentric orientation, means foreign subsidiaries are given a great deal of managerial freedom. And regiocentric orientation means the foreign operations are staffed on a regional basis. Geocentric means we are going to adapt each and every geological area where we are going to concentrate. Strategies, multinational corporations must have weightage of two factors: economic decisions, responsibility to host country differences. Fulfill the above two criteria, MNCs must be worldwide integration, national responsiveness, regional responsiveness, and multi-focus strategy. Exportation, licensing agreement, management contracts, joint venture and strategic alliances, these are the forms of international business. Only owned subsidiaries. And challenges, management in global scenario, that is language barriers, regional language or the international language, we have to check on, we have to bother about these things in challenges in our management in global scenario. Selling and marketing in foreign markets, competitions, whether the prices adjustments, competitions, like that we have to see the perfectly. Then attributes of host governments, so that is each and every area, every place and every geological area, different attitudes of the government will be there, so we have to adopt that one. Communication and coordination between subsidiaries, communication gaps should not be there, so we have, this is a challenge. Thank you.